The IELTS speaking test is, in total, 11 to 14 minutes long. It consists of 3 parts. The first part is 4 to 5 minutes long. This part is a short interview with personal questions about things such as where you live or what you study. After this, part 2 is the part known as the long turn. Here, you need to speak on your own for 2 minutes on the subject the examiner will give you. The final part, part 3, is a longer discussion which is linked to the subject in part 2. These questions are more complex in nature and will promote a more in-depth discussion. In part 1, you just need to give personal information. The questions may seem quite easy, but try to extend your answers if you can. In part 2, the examiner will give you a prompt with a topic and 4 points relating to it. You'll have 1 minute to prepare and make notes. The examiner will tell you when to start speaking. In part 2, you have to speak on your own without any interaction from the examiner. As you'll need to ideally be talking for about 2 minutes, think about answering all parts of the prompt and connecting your ideas clearly. Don't worry about the timing. The examiner will tell you when to stop speaking and may ask you a follow-on question or 2. In part 3, the examiner is looking for more complex language. You should be expressing your views on subjects here. Candidates are marked in 4 categories: fluency and coherence, lexical resource, grammatical resource, and lastly, pronunciation. A Band 7 student can speak at length without much effort, can use less common vocabulary and collocations and paraphrase well, has generally accurate grammar and uses a range of complex patterns, and is easy to understand.